Hello everyone, welcome to Developers Checkpoint. In today's video, we are going to look into the algorithm of finding the middle element in a linked list. Okay, so what is the problem statement? So we are provided with a linked list. So let's assume that we are having a linked list with 5 elements A, B, C, D, E, and we have to find the middle element. So here the middle element is C. So we have to come up with an algorithm to find this middle element. So now let's have a look how the algorithm will look like. So in order to solve this problem, we will look at a very popular approach which is known as the rabbit and hare approach. So basically what we do in this approach, we will take 2 pointers. One will be the fast pointer and the other will be slow pointer. So we are going to traverse the linked list and we will change these pointers as. So the fast pointer will take 2 steps at a time and the slow pointer will take 1 step at. We will keep on doing this till the fast pointer reaches the end of the linked list. So we have a fast pointer and a slow pointer. So fast pointer will move by 2 steps and the slow pointer will move by 1 step. Now the fast pointer is not at the end of the linked list. So the fast pointer will take 2 more steps and the slow pointer will move by 1 step. Now the fast pointer is at the end of the linked list. So the point where the slow pointer is pointing right now will be the middle element of the linked list. So we have seen the algorithm. So now let's look at the code. So we are going to implement the function find middle element that takes the head of the linked list as an argument and will return the pointer to the middle element of the linked list. So what we will do first, we will take 2 pointers, that is the fast and slow pointer. After that, what we are going to do, we are going to traverse the fast pointer till the end of the linked list, and meanwhile what we are doing, we are increasing the fast pointer by 2 pointers at the time and the slow pointer by 1 pointer at the time. And at the point where the fast pointer reaches the end of the linked list, the value of node or the point where the slow pointer is pointing will be the middle element of the linked list. So this is the way how we find the middle element of a linked list.